Hello, my name is Juan Montero Pedroza, and I'll introduce you to the speech organs. What are the organs of speech? Well, the speech organs are those that we use to produce the speech sounds. These organs or articulators produce the sounds of every single language. In the next slide, I'll explain all the parts of the speech apparatus, starting with the lips. The lips serve for creating different sounds, mainly labile and bilabile and labial consonant sounds, and thus create an important part of the speech apparatus. It is divided into upper lip and lower lip. Next, we have the teeth. The teeth are used to produce a lot of speech sounds, especially dental and labial consonants. Then we have the tongue. Well, the tongue is the most important articulator in the speech organs, as it moves in different ways and shapes to produce speech. It is divided into 5 parts: the tip, the blade, the front, the back, and the root. The tip and the blade are the most mobile parts of the tongue. The front lies underneath the hard palate. The center is the part beneath the hard palate and the soft palate. The back is beneath the soft palate, and the root is opposite the back of the pharynx. Then we have the alveolar ridge. It includes the area between the front teeth and the hard palate. It helps us to produce alveolar consonant sounds. Then we have the hard palate. It is a thin, horizontal, bony plate of the skull located on the roof of the mouth. It is essential in the formation of the certain speech sounds, notably T, D, and G. Then we have the soft palate or velum. Well, its function is to separate the oral cavity from the nose in order to produce the oral speech sounds. If the separation between these two cavities is incomplete, the speech is perceived as hypernasal. Then we have the pharynx. The pharynx is a tube beginning just above the larynx with two endings. This structure holds and inflates the vocal cords. In males, the bump, commonly known as Adam's apple, is the front part of the pharynx. Then we have the uvula. The uvula functions in tandem with the back of the throat, the palates, and the air of the lungs to create guttural sounds. Then we have the epiglottis. The epiglottis is the organ that is attached to the lower part of the root of the tongue, and it prevents food to enter the airways. Next we have the glottis. The glottis is a combination of vocal folds and the space between these folds. It produces a buzzing sound such as H. Then we have the resonators. Most sounds in speech are produced by passing a stream of air from the lungs through one or more resonators, belonging to the phonetic apparatus. The principal resonators are the pharyngeal, the oral, the labial, and the nasal. The presence or absence of obstruction during the airway modifies the nature of the sound produced. By classifying the different types of obstructions that are possible, the articulatory phonetics distinguishes the sound places. Then we have the vocal cords or vocal folds. The vocal cords or folds are folds of tissue located in the larynx that protect the airway from choking on material in the throat, as well as to regulate the flow of air into our lungs for us to produce speech. Then we have the thyroid cartilage. This one provides protection and support to the vocal folds in our larynx. The muscles in the larynx produce vibration that affects the vocal cords. That's why we need skeletal structure. Then we have the arytenoid cartilage. The arytenoid cartilage helps us move the vocal folds, allowing tension, relaxation, or approximation of these between the vocal folds. Being attached to the arytenoids, they move along with them. And well, these are the list of all the organs that we have seen: the lips, the feet, the tongue, the alveolar ridge, the hard palate, the velum or soft palate, the pharynx, the uvula, the epiglottis, the glottis, the resonators, the vocal cords, the retained cartilage, the thyroid, and the cartilage. Thank you for seeing my presentation, and I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.